Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video fabric crafts ideas. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Friends, turn your wall into a blooming garden. Cut colorful felt flowers, arrange them on a canvas, and creative standing wall art that never fades. Felt photo frames keep your memories. Handmade hug, decorate plain photo frame with felt flowers, leaves, and cute pattern for a soft, cozy look. Felt embroidery hub, mix felt and embroidery stitches, guide flower design or cute animals on felt inside a hop. A perfect piece for your room decor. Swim tiny hearts, stars, and animals with felt stuff them or add a lap and wall. You have a drawer, keychains, or bag jar. Felt table decor, creative machine, kosher placement, and napkin holders with colorful felt. Perfect for parties or everyday dinner decor. Felt bookmark makes study time fun. Cut felt into cute shapes, animals, flowers, and use them a bookmark or notebook decor. Felt jewelry, dye your own accessories, earring, brooches, even statement necklace using felt lightweight, colorful, and one of a kind. Felt storage bucket. Organized in style, stitches felt into mini bucket for makeup, keys, or crafts. Spellings functional and pretty. Functional felt items, swim cute and useful item, comb, purse, phones, cover, storage bucket are made from felt, practical and creative at the same time. Seasonal felt craft. Celebrate every season with felt crafts, Christmas ornaments, star business, autumn garland. Felt bring a joy to every occasion. Home decor with felt. Felt instead just for kids. Creative standing wall hanging, coaster, table runner, or what. Easy to make and easy to wash. Make a playtime special with handmade felt toys, being cute animals, doll, or tiny keychains. Safe, soft, and full.